Hi guys! We are so excited because we have a major announcement to make.
Congratulations are in high order for celebrity couple Wayne and Tami Mitchell after they announced the birth of their baby daughter, Ivy Aaron Mitchell. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So there has been a whole lot of congratulations pouring out online for the celebrity couple Wayne Marshall and Tami Mitchell after they announced the birth of their baby daughter. The couple, who welcomed their daughter on June the 16th, says that the announcement was met with pure joy and message of congratulation, and this has been very evident as it has been pouring out online so much. The couple shared 3 photos with their son holding the baby girl, who is named Ivy Aaron Mitchell. Now this has been met with much joy online after a number of individuals have took to social media just in order to congratulate the couple on the birth of their baby girl. In one of the images posted on the official Instagram account of Tami Mitchell, it read, "Our littlest love has come earthside. Ivy Aaron Mitchell, the 16th of the 6th, 2022, 1 a.m. We are so overjoyed at her arrival and looking forward to the next beautiful chapter," the post concluded. So Tami and husband Wayne Marshall have welcomed their 4th child and only daughter, Ivy Aaron Mitchell, expressing joy at their arrival. Tami shared the amazing news on her Instagram post and adorable photos of her 3 sons holding the newest addition to the family. In January of this year, the couple announced that they were expecting their 4th child together via popular social media YouTube channel Meet the Mitchell. That exciting news was topped in February when they shared that they were expecting a girl. The couple has 3 boys together, with the youngest born in January 2019, but also expressed their hope for a daughter. Wayne has an older son from a previous relationship. We here at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to congratulate the couple on the arrival of their baby girl. As you know, this has been highly anticipated, and I can tell you that the fans are just waiting to see when the couple will put out some actual videos of the baby girl. But we here just want to take this opportunity once more just to send our love and happiness to them, and we hope that their relationship continue to strive, because this is a couple that I've been watching for some time now, and I can tell you their humble beginnings just goes to show you that this relationship is a very strong one. And even though Wayne Marshall has been off the scene for some time in the recording arena, so too is Tami as well, but both of them have been off the scene for some time now, basically taking the time to focus on their self and their relationship and their family as well. And we just want to congratulate them on the bold move that they have made and how they are basically setting themselves to be a family that we can actually look up to right now based on what they have been portraying in their YouTube videos that has so gone viral online. But all I can say that this is a good look for Wade Marshall, and I just want to wish them all the best in their future endeavors and just wish them the love and success that we so desire for them. This is where we're going to leave this though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless, and much respect goes out to you, the viewers.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.